Do you miss cooking? Is it something that you used to do and now you're not able to do it anymore? Maybe you have bad balance or some kind of an event has left you not being able to cook for yourself. Do you miss cooking for your family? Or are you just kind of upset that Thanksgiving's coming up and you're not able to cook anymore? If that is you, my name is Justin Gilligan and I'm one of the owners of TheraFit Rehab, and we're putting on a workshop that's specifically geared towards teaching somebody how to cook again after something like balance or an event has caused them to not be able to. So it's an adaptive cooking class, and we're going to be going over the main reasons that would keep somebody from being able to cook, and then the things that we can do or teach you to be able to cook for yourself again and gain that independence back. So if that sounds like you, if you're interested in learning how to cook again, then this workshop is for you. It's going to be happening at the location below, and all you have to do is fill out the form below that, and we're going to email you or call you just to verify that you indeed are signed up for the workshop, that your seat has been saved, and just remind you that the date that the workshop is. All you got to do is fill out the form below. Now, we only have about 10 to 15 slots open for this workshop. Some of our locations are smaller than others, and it's just really, we're just limited by this amount of space that we have available to teach these workshops. So if you're interested in this workshop, I cannot stress it enough. They fill out very quickly. Just fill out your information and someone will reach out to you and make sure that your seat has been saved. We also have a couple of goodies that we're going to be sending away. So we really want to make sure that the people that are coming are committed, because we buy them ahead of time to give to you guys. So if you're interested in this, feel free to call the location or the number below to get more information, and we will look forward to seeing you there. Thank you and see you soon.